Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if the downloads folder is not working or responding properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So I imagine this could definitely be a frustrating issue. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to actually just restart your computer. So just right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart. You can also restart File Explorer as well, but I just figured that sometimes it's better just to restart the computer, just clear everything up, any tasks that your computer was running in the background, and just restart your device. And then hopefully I should have been able to resolve the problem if you're having a little bottleneck there. Something else we can try here as well, if you open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match to come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. So I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video, guys. First one's going to be the system file checker utility scan. So if you want to go ahead and just copy that from the description of my video, you can. Or you could just type it into the command line window. It doesn't matter to me. It's a pretty straightforward command here. So I'm just going to actually just copy and paste it in. So copy it from my description, right click on the top bar of the command prompt, select edit, and then paste it in. It's just sfc /scan now. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video, and then go ahead and paste it into the command prompt the same way we did the first one. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, and then restart your computer. And now hopefully that we've done all these steps, hopefully your downloads folder should be working a little bit more efficiently, and hopefully your system's actually a little bit faster as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.